Good evening, everyone. Septunar here. I want to share with you a few things. The situation about West Asia conflict. Nowadays, we are facing short supply of LPG gasoline in our country. There is so many commercial kitchen also. Also, they are facing short supply of LPG gas cylinder. So I request you all, don't waste their gas in your commercial kitchen, also in your home, because there is so many city in our country, they are facing short supply of LPG gas cylinder like Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi. So I request you all, use properly, don't waste their gas in your kitchen, also in your home. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot.